Hello chatterbox out there. Today in this video I'm going to be telling you guys about what I got to on my Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of this week. I hope you guys are all staying safe and you've all had a great week, whatever you've been up to. Keeping yourself busy, maybe going for walks, do a bit of baking, do a bit of reading, whatever you've been doing. I hope you're all having a great week. I have just been doing lots of walking, going for nature walks, getting lots of nature snaps, reading, drawing, just doing lots of creativeness, and also lots of Netflix and Disney Plus as well, and been watching a lot of the US reboot of 30s and 80s soap opera. And if you think that the soaps in the UK could be outrageous and far-fetched, you got nothing on the US soaps. They are batshit crazy and I absolutely love it. And yeah, I've just been absolutely hooked on that, so I've been watching that. And yeah, it's been a nice week so far. The weather's been lovely, so I've just been going on lots of walks. And yeah, I was sorting out my office the other day and I came across this red box here with some beanie toys. For those of you that don't know what they are, they are just stuffed toys that have like really cool patterns and colours. You get them in lots of holiday destinations, like in the holiday shops, sort of like postcards and boxes and stuff in places like that. And I've collected them over the years, and I'm just going to show you them for you guys. All of these. Look at all of these. I have got quite a few, and I'll show you those two last. This is just a little cuddly toy that my mum knitted me, and yeah, super adorable. And yeah, I've just got so many, it's crazy. So I'll make that 3 that I will show you last. Using the light that my friend got me, and yeah, it's quite good. Makes it look quite good. Makes my hair look good as well. I really do need a haircut. It's getting a bit long, and yeah, loving my nice tropical tree t-shirt. Very cool indeed. It's currently 5 in the morning and I'm just wide awake, and yeah, I just put this on because it looks quite nice, and I just popped it on and had a cup of tea and now doing this one for you guys. So yeah, let's get on with the beanie toys. I could chat for them as they call me, Dad Chatbox, don't call me that for nothing. And yeah, I've got this giraffe one here, I love it, very adorable. Then I got this one here, nice snake, telling my inner Britney VMAs. I love it. I've actually had a snake before. I don't know what kind of snake it was, but it was ginormous and it was wrapped on my arm, and I was absolutely terrified, but I did it anyway because I was like, when the hell are you going to get to hold a snake in your lifetime? You might not ever get to do it again. So I did that. I've also held a tarantula and it was ginormous. And yeah, got this turtle here. I think there's a few other turtles as well. Twins. I love them. Dinosaur one here. I love it. I love the colours. I love the patterns. They are just so beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, aren't they? And then this one is not a beanie toy, but I just have that in there. It's Pascal from Tangled, my favourite Disney film ever. Bloody love that film. Probably going to watch that later on. I got this one here. I think it's a dinosaur or a dragon. I cannot be sure what it is. And yeah, I just absolutely love these. I love the patterns. And yeah, it's so cute. Got a little cat one here. Very nice. Lovely purple one there. Itty bitty frog here. Very cute. I got this one, lovely patterns. Then I got this one here, polka dots. I love a good polka dot. And a little dolphin, my older sister's favourite animal. She used to have posters up on a ceiling of dolphins. I got this lovely one here that I actually didn't know I had. Little lizard, lovely blue colour, my favourite colour. A nice turquoise blue. Oh gosh, dropping through stuff like that. I'm so clumsy. And yeah, double dolphin. I don't know, I've just been so clumsy, I don't know why. I know I'm extra clumsy anyway, but I've just been even more clumsy than usual, and it's been crazy. I've got this little slap-on bracelet that you slap on and it goes around your wrist, and I used to have loads of these. They're massive in the 80s and 90s. I love a good slap-on bracelet. And I got this one here, which is a seahorse. Lovely little seahorse with nice purple sequins. It's got a very nice purple colour. And then I got this frog here, which is very funky, one with lots of different colours, very cool. And then I got this one, I don't know what it is, I'm sure it's a shrimp, some type of crab or something, not sure, but it looks cool. I love the purple and the red. Then I got this one here, it's another lizard. I love lizards. I've actually held a lizard and also held a gecko before. And yeah, I don't think I've got a gecko one. This is another one. I think this is a crab this time, or scorpion. Who knows? I think this might be a scorpion. Then I got another turtle. I love turtles. Got quite a few turtles. And I got another lizard. Those are all of mine. And I'm just going to show you the last two. Where is it gone? The last two that I'm going to show you. Wait. The last three that I'm going to show you. First of all is this tie-dyed dolphin one, which has got lots of lovely colours. It's so cool. I love this one. This is probably my favourite one I've got. And along with these two here, I got the baby one and the father one, or the mother one, whichever one you want to decide. The parent and the baby. I love these. They are so cool. I got this one, and then my friend got me this, and it is ginormous. He gave me the present, and I was like, "What is this?" As it was ginormous, and it was soft. And I was like, "What is it?" Opened it and found this. I love it. I love my beanie toys. Currently, because there's not much to do in lockdown, because everything is locked up, I'm currently going to be doing lots of collecting videos, as I love collecting things. So I showed you my inbox doll collection, my novelty pens, my notebooks, my favourite DVDs, I think my favourite Disney DVDs, that's it. And I'm going to be doing my favourite musical DVDs and probably a few more videos like that at the moment, because there's not much else to vlog about. And yeah, I enjoy doing that. I love collecting things. I like showing people bits and bobs that I've got over the years. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs and that you enjoy it. I am just trying to get a few vlogs out. I might not be doing as many as I normally do, because there's not much to vlog about, but I'll try and work out a bit of content for you guys. And I hope that this is all back to normal soon. They said in July, not for definite, that's it, can't get words out right now. I am literally a bit sleep deprived because I'm a bit of a night owl at the moment. I have really weird dreams at the moment, and apparently a load of other people have been having that as well. Got a lot of my friends have said are same, and so hopefully we could get back to a bit more normality soon. I've been talking to this guy and we're planning to go on a date. Typical, my love life gets exciting this as we go into a living pandemic would be my luck, wouldn't it? And yeah, so I hope it gets to a bit of normality soon, and just can't wait to get back to work and get back to touch rugby and morning group, and just get back to as much normal life as we can be, because it's never really going to be the same, as this has just been such a major thing that we've had lots of loss and lots of panic and lots of stress. And it's just been crazy, but in all of this, Goodness has come out of it with the NHS being so amazing, doing such a brilliant job, the key workers and everyone just doing the best we can in this situation. We've all been brilliant. Just got to stay positive, and I'm sure that this will blow over and all be well in the end. I hope you guys all have had a great week so far. All have a lovely rest of your week and have a lovely rest of your day. Stay safe, and I love you guys, and I shall see you soon. Really vlog very soon. Bye.